and the certificates that you get, they are of value, but more higher value is your skill set. So when you sit in your own clinic or wherever you see your patients, and you have your certificates there and what you learned from whoever. So why I put this video and why I'm telling you all this is because, see, the education, the quality of education in colleges is good, but to really practice and to really be of one level, it requires different skill set, and that's why we started this course. So yes, many people may have an exam in January, may have Christmas, something like that. So you can watch it anytime, because this course you will get an access for probably the next roughly 1 year. So you can watch it anytime, whenever you want. But right now there is an early bird offer, and I also believe that this course is a little different course, because it will kind of now start refining you. You know, in the first course you learned 30 remedy. This course you are learning 100 remedy. So the last date for advanced course registration, early bird, is 20th November. But more than about 80-90 people have already paid. So we already had a 6 months course which went on from April till October, and this is a new course now launching in December. And this is, we call it as an advanced classical homeopathic. And the other very important thing that you should know about is that we have started a WhatsApp group for the advanced course people. It starts on Monday, and we are going to put up one case every day for people to solve. So currently there is an early bird offer, which means it's almost roughly about 30% discount. So if you are able to register right now, you directly get a 30% discount. So wherever you are, if you have joined, not joined, do it soon. A repertory is given. Everything that I ever teach you will have repertory in it. Every single thing. Trust me. Yes, there will be certificates for every course. Even the course you just attended, you will get a certificate, and participants of the new course will also get a special kind of a thing from me. So you're going to get certificates. Yeah. So yeah, this is the new course that we have launched. It's an advanced course, 7 months course, certificate course. This takes you to the next level. 100 remedies of materia medica, organon, repertory, case taking. No, you can, if you have not joined the last course, which was in April, you can directly join this course. It would be easy. I will train you. But if you are already a participant of the practical course we did from April, then in this course you get a massive discount, you know, and you would be one of the special entries in the course. So yeah, so don't wait now. You can directly email us or DM Dr. Yash or Srushti and register for the advanced course. This is the time. This is the time. Invest on yourself. Nothing in this life is free. And I wish I could do it free, but you know, if I do it free, very few people will attend. So this is a very, very minimal charges course. I'm doing it for you. Trust me. I'm doing it for all of you with a lot of love. This course is open for everyone, for all college students, interns, practitioners, 10 years into practice. You want to refine your skills. You want to be a classical homeopath of highest standards. So this would be the course. That the highlights is the idea of doing this course is to bring the students of homeopathy, give them the highest quality of education in the next 6-7 months. It would be best to attend this course live, which starts in December. If you have missed the last 6 months course, we are also going to give you a guest access with additional charges. However, if you are joining for the first time and you have not attended the last course, which we had in April, then you will also, with this current course that you will be paying, you will also get the last course in a discounted rate. And you know, many people ask me what are the fees. The fees for this course is less than how much you would pay to buy a good trouser or a shirt or a dress. So